Hello, welcome to the coding session for k-means clustering. And the dataset that we're going to use is the mall customers dataset that you can find on Kaggle using this link. So let's download the dataset. It's a small file, so it should go fast. And now that I've downloaded the dataset, I want to go to my Google Drive and make sure it is there so I can use it in Colab. So I'm gonna do new file upload, and that's the file I want. So let me now add it to Google Drive, and it's already done. So what I want to do is choose a file that we have worked with that uses a comma-separated value file, and the Pima Indians Diabetes one is such a file. So I want to make a copy, and then I'm going to open that file in Collaboratory, and I probably be able to use a little bit of the pre-processing code. So let me see what happens here. The first thing that I want to do is try to mount the drive. I will not run the code completely, only the first two code blocks. And at the same time, what I can do is change the title of this file into k-means mall. Does it give me the k? It doesn't give me the k. K-means mall. Here we are. So let's now see if I can mount the drive. Well, I have to go and get a code first. Here we go. You know the drill by now. Here is the code which I copy. And then I'm gonna paste here. And then I press enter. So now it's mounting the drive, and I'm gonna open the side tab here. I can see Google Drive now on the left. I click on Colab Notebooks, and here I find the k-means. Where is the dataset? Mall customer CSV here. So I right click and I do copy path. Then I can close this, and I'm gonna just replace this file with the mall file. Okay, let's do paste. I'm gonna run df head to see the first 5 lines of this dataset. And here we are. You see there is, let me run df shape. Let me delete this one because it's not valid anymore. But you see we have 200 customers, and we have 5 columns. One is customer ID, one is male female, one is age, one is annual income, and one is spending income. And basically that's it for what is the reusable code is concerned. So all the rest I cannot use, so I'm gonna put this all in the trash and delete it. So the exercise that we will do will be clustering of the income of the customer versus his spending coefficient, spending score. So let me continue and delete some of the stuff here. Okay, now we're all done. So what I want to do next is I want to isolate this column and the spending score column into a variable x.